welcome to our admin for the day, and today we're going to be reading a story by Gillian and Georgie Birkett, and it's called Sometimes I Feel Sunny. Sometimes I feel sunny, like a great big smiling sun. Oh, look, he's a sunny smiling sun and he's yellow. But sometimes I feel sad, as though nothing will be fun. Sometimes I feel funny, like a crazy clownish clown. But sometimes I feel angry, and all the world seems upside down. Oh my goodness, look at that! The dog's upside down. There are days when I need a hug. And there are days when I'm the king. And there are funny, floaty, empty days when I just don't feel anything. Oh look, she looks sad. He looks like a king. He's happy. Sometimes I feel fizzy, and sometimes I feel strong. Sometimes I feel dizzy. Ooh, he's going round and round and round. And sometimes I feel wrong. Oh no, what did she do? She bumped over the big jug. It broke. There are stretchy, grumpy, yucky days, like eating slugs and snails. No, never ever eat slugs and snails. Those are not good. Those stay in the garden. There are rosy, smiley, happy days, just like fairy tales. Who's going to stay in the castle? Oh my goodness, and look, we see a frog and a bunny and a second bunny and a bird. And look what's on his shirt. It's a dinosaur. Sometimes I feel frightened, scared, and lost and small. And sometimes I feel brave as brave and 55 feet tall. Oh my goodness, he's very tall. He's on the top of the slide. I hope he's holding tight. Sometimes I feel dreamy as I float up into space. To have a huge adventure in my special secret place. Do you have a special secret place? Where's your special secret place? But when the sun is sleepy, oh look, the sun is setting and the sky is turning red, I feel a yawnish kind of feeling, so I climb right into bed. Oh look, he's got special things in his bed. He's got a teddy and it looks like a tortoise. And then I feel so very me, and I feel so very right. And I feel the lovely love when you are kissing me good night. Who kisses you good night when you go to bed? Does mommy kiss you good night? Does daddy kiss you good night? There we go. That is the story. And they are all happy together and friends. I hope you like the story today.